Last week, it was confirmed that the UK has the highest official death toll as a result of COVID-19 in Europe. The country surpassed Italy as the worst hit country in the Europe and is now second only to the US for COVID-19 related deaths worldwide. But now, the UK government released a 50-page document detailing its new, more relaxed coronavirus lockdown measures on Monday, as Prime Minister Boris Johnson warned of the most unsafe moment for the country. The document, which followed a public address by Johnson on Sunday evening, highlighted that the coronavirus pandemic was not a short-term crisis. It outlined what people in England are now allowed to do after 7 weeks of strict lockdown. Changes to restrictions include those who cannot work from home are actively encouraged to go back to work. People will be allowed to take unlimited amounts of exercise from Wednesday. People are advised to wear a face covering in places where social distancing is not always possible, such as on public transport. People can meet up with one person from outside their household as long as they are outdoors. Very young children could go back to school by June 1 at the earliest. Older children have some time back with their teachers before the summer break. Some hospitality places could be open in July. People traveling from abroad will soon be required to self-isolate for 2 weeks on arrival in the UK. Johnson also said in Parliament that guidance for social distancing in the workplace would be laid out later in the day. The government has been criticized for advising some people to return to work without giving clear guidance on how this can be done safely. The UK government has faced intense criticism from opposition parties, with some lawmakers suggesting Johnson was too slow to respond to the pandemic when it first came out in the UK.